Camco RV Rhino heavy-duty 28-gallon portable waste-holding tank with steerable wheels, includes hoses and accessories, $39,005. Ready-to-use kit, includes everything needed to transport waste from your RV or trailer to a dump station when you're parked too far away for an RV sewer hose. Kit includes accessories to clean, maintain and store the tote tank when not in use. Easy to steer and transport. 2. Steerable, 6-inch no-flat front wheels with bearings provide easy maneuverability, help distribute weight evenly, and no longer require you to lift to tow. 2. Heavy-duty, 12-inch no-flat back wheels with bearings make transporting the tote tank smooth and effortless. A sturdy, 24-inch tote bar allows you to easily roll the tote tank as you would with a wagon or cart. You can also transport the tote tank by towing it slowly behind a golf cart or truck. Easy to clean, gate valves make emptying the tote tank easier, and the smooth interior is easy to clean via the integrated tank rinse. Features: an optional ladder hook can sturdily clamp onto your RV or camper ladder when not in use, and the body of the tote tank features grooves to securely strap it in place. Kit includes 3-foot Rhino Extreme sewer hose with bayonet and lug fittings, 15-inch water hose rinse adapter, clear elbow with 4-in-1 adapter, clear double bayonet elbow, 3. Storage caps, 2. Caps with lanyards for rinse connections and 24-inch tote bar. Durable construction, constructed of extremely durable blow-molded, UV-stabilized HDP that won't leak or deteriorate in the sun with a 2-year. Click the link in the description to get this product today.